Well, we'll try this. I don't know how it'll come out, but we had a heck of a rain last night, and of course the drain across the street is plugged up. So what we have here is a bit of a mess where it's washed through the property. I don't know if this is worth contacting the city over or not. It's one of them things where it's an act of God. What can you do? And you can see how it has washed through the carport and left me a little bit of a mess to clean up. Wyoming sure needed the rain, but golly gee whiz, we didn't need it that hard and that fast. So like I say, you can see that it's left me with a bit of a chore. That's okay. Structure wasn't hurt, and I'm a little detained on my waterproofing project, but other than that, everything looks good.